Hey GED students, it's GED question of the daytime, and I've got a few little weird problems for you again, so let's take a look. Number 1 says, on a number line, is 6,384 closer to 6,000 or closer to 7,000? So imagining a number line. I think I need a different color. That one's a little hard to see on this, isn't it? Okay, again, we'll imagine a number line here, and we will look at the portion of the number line between 6,000 and 7,000. So when you think about how a number line works, think about the halfway point between 6,000 and 7,000. Halfway through our digit system is the number 5. So the halfway point is going to be right when we get to 6,500. What I'm thinking about is I'm thinking about splitting this up into 100-piece increments. Right now I've got it, from 6,000 to 7,000. That's 1,000 increment. So going from 1,000s to hundreds would be breaking it into 10 pieces. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, and now I can picture this like 6,000, 6,100 or 6,100, 6,200, 6,300, 6,400, 6,500, 6,600, 6,700, 6,800, 6,900, 7,000, and I've broken it up evenly. And what we see here is 6,384 closer to 6,000 or 7,000? Well, of course, 6,384 would be somewhere about there, somewhere between 6,300 and 6,400. And we're on this side, the left side of the middle. We are smaller than 6,500, and therefore it's definitely closer to 6,000. That would be the correct answer there. Now, you may not have realized it, but what we just did was we rounded to the thousands place. That's what you're doing. When you round to the thousands place, you're asking yourself, am I closer to 6,000 or 7,000? So let's take a look here. Number 2 says, is 6,384, same number, but now they want to know if it's closer to 6,300 or 6,400. So we're looking at a smaller portion of our number line now. We're looking at the section between 6,300 and 6,400. Again, if I were to break that up evenly, I would be at 63 what? 6350, because halfway through our number line is the 5 digits, and now is the digit 5. Let me say that again, because halfway through our digit system is the digit 5. So now it's like I'm counting by tens. Same basic picture, but instead of counting by hundreds, I'm counting by tens, like 6310, 6320, so on and so forth. So, of course, 6384 would be past 50. It'd be 60, 70, 80, 84, maybe here-ish. I'm much closer. You can see I'm on the right-hand side of 6,350. I'm much closer to 6,400. It's definitely closer to 6,400. So if I were going to round 6,384 to the hundreds place, I would say it's about 6,400. Okay, now let's get even smaller. I'm asking now, is 6,384 closer to 6,380 or 6,390? So now I've only got a span on my number line of 10. I'm starting at 6,380 and going to 6,390. Well, what would the halfway point be? The halfway point would be when this 0 here turns into 5. So it would be 6,385. So we'd have, 6,381, 82, 83, 84. And then after 85, we'd have 86, 87, 88, 89, and of course 90. So is 6,384 closer? Well, it's just before the 85. It's just before. It's right there. And so I'm closer to 6,380 on the number line. So this would round down to 6,380. All right. So it's closer to 6,000 than 7,000. It's closer to 6,400 than it is to 6,300, and it's closer to 6,380 than it is to 6,390. If you have any questions about this or any other GED math topic, be sure to drop it in the comments, and I'll do my best to answer it.